Okay, have you ever been sitting in on a virtual meeting or presentation and the person who is walking people through the PowerPoint decides they're going to stop sharing their screen with the group or give control of the platform over to somebody else, and they do this? Okay, at this point, I am going to share my screen with you guys here. 1 second. Let's see. 1 sec. Yeah, it's kind of awkward because while the speaker is trying to figure out what they want to do, everyone in the room is just kind of sitting in silence, staring at each other. Now, if you want to appear really polished when leading a virtual meeting or presentation, these kind of little awkward moments, they're not helping you. Easy fix though. Whenever you need to pause your presentation in order to switch screens or to switch settings in the platform, become the narrator for your audience, like this. Okay, at this point, I am going to go ahead and share my screen with you all so that you can see exactly what our customers will see when they jump onto our landing page. Obviously, it's really important that we're able to walk them through this template. And so in just a second, you're going to be able to see it, and we'll walk through it together so you know exactly how it should sound and look when we present it to customers. All right. Here we go. I have it up on the screen. Josh, if you could just give me a thumbs up if you can see that. Yep, good to go. All right, let's do it. Now, instead of sitting in awkward silence, your audience is following along as you do what you need to do. And the whole thing ends up feeling kind of seamless. And you know what? Sometimes technical stuff, technical issues happen when you're on calls like these. And you feel like you have to hide from the audience the fact that things just aren't working. I've been there. Rule of thumb, don't try to hide it. In my experience, people, they just understand that stuff goes wrong on calls like these, and the best thing you can do is just call it out. So for some reason, this PowerPoint deck is not wanting to load into Zoom today. My sincerest apologies, you guys. Technology. Tell you what I'll do. After our session's complete, I will pop a copy of it over to you via email. Meanwhile, I have a copy of it on paper in front of me, so we'll just go ahead and go through it that way, and you can follow along as I lead you through it. Virtual sessions aren't necessarily successful because you are perfect and because nothing ever goes wrong. They're successful because when things do take an unexpected turn, you are able to handle it without freaking out. That is one of the marks of a great speaker. I'll see you next time.